Hi everyone, this is all about me. I am Miss Helipack and I'm going to be your kindergarten teacher this year. I know that I'm going to get to know all of you online whenever we start our class, but I wanted you to get to know a little bit about me before we get started working together. Where am I from? I am from Dallas, Texas. On the left you can see a map of the United States, and the state that's red is Texas. And then on the right side you can see Dallas, which is right at the top, and that's the city I live in. Who is in my family? Now my family is just me, my mom, and my brother. So on this left picture you can see my mom and then my brother, who is super tall. He is 2 years older than me. He is 22 and I am 20. And then on the right is my dog named Milo. What is one fun fact about me? When I was in college, I was able to go study abroad in Europe. On the right side, you can see a map right here. That's where Europe is. And one weekend, I went to Switzerland and I got to go paragliding. This is when you run off a cliff with someone and there's a big parachute that makes you glide through the air until you land on the ground. I can't wait to work with all of you this year. Are you ready to get started? Because I know I am.